Hey buddy! You know how to use CVAP to link up with a total station and know that saving job quick.
Piece of cake. Just check if the total station has Bluetooth or hook up an adapter with a serial port.
That's right, we have got the adapter. Today, let's talk about connecting those total stations with Bluetooth built-in.
This Alpha T total station here. Fire up, then launch the Surveyor app.
Homepage about. Hey, look at this! The total station icon. Give it a tap and what do we see? A little party of touchpads, communication modules, instrument brands, and down below a lineup of your recent hookups. Oh no, I mean connected devices. If you were connected with this mentioned before, it's a breathing. Just hit connect and you are all set. Scroll down and there's a call waiting for your review. Pair the devices, scanning devices, testing features, and more. Beyond that, there's a batch more settings for you to explore. Tap on communication modules and you've got options galore. Bluetooth BLE, the low profile, low energy star plus hotspot, OTG, TP count. Choose BLE, hit confirm, and let it work quickly in the background. Now open the instrument branches packed with various total station models. A collection by the CVAP. Find the Alpha brand and click confirm. Click scan for devices and look here. The ID of this total station appears. Selected and click connect. Wait a moment. All set. Connection established. Our data delivery has arrived.
To confirm that the total station and Surveyor app software have truly connected, point the total station towards an object that can send back data, then tap test. If the screen shows that data has been received, congratulations, the connection is a success.
Alright, now it's time to let the CVAP showcase its area of skills and join force with the total station for some teamwork. It auto calculations records and lets you export or share with your team as needed.
That's all for today's session, folks.
For more saving mastery and services, follow us and see you next time.